Protective measures required by the annexes. The protective measures required by the MARPOL annexes for various aspects. Number 1. Assessment of residual quantities in cargo tanks, pumps, and associated piping. Ships are required to access the quantity of residues in cargo tanks, pumps, and associated piping after unloading oil cargoes. This is to minimize the risk of oil pollution. The assessment ensures the tanks are as clean as possible before any ballasting or loading operation. Number 2. Stripping. Stripping refers to the removal of remaining oil residues from cargo tanks. Proper stripping procedures are crucial to procedure the amount of oily water that might be discharged. Ships are required to use effective stripping methods and equipment to minimize the discharge of oily mixtures. Number 3. Water test. Before any discharge into the sea, ships must conduct a water test to ensure that the oil content in the discharged water is within permissible limits. This test helps in verifying the effectiveness of the oil-water separation equipment. Number 4. Pre-wash. Pre-washing of cargo tanks is required for certain categories of noxious liquid substances. This procedure helps to reduce the quantity of residues that may be harmful to the marine environment. Proper pre-wash procedures are outlined in the IBC code. Number 5. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial for chemical tankers to ensure that any remaining vapors in the cargo tanks are effectively removed. Ventilation system help prevent the release of harmful substances to the atmosphere during loading and unloading operations. Number 6. Stowage and dangerous goods. Ships carrying packaged dangerous goods must be ensure proper stowage and segregation to prevent potential reactions between incompatible substances. This includes keeping certain types of dangerous goods away from each other to avoid chemical reaction. Number 7. Sewage treatment system. Ships are required to have an approved sewage treatment system to treat sewage before discharge. The system must meet the standards outlined in Annex 4 to reduce the environmental impact of sewage discharges. Number 8. Shipboard garbage segregation. Annex 5 requires the proper segregation of shipboard garbage into different categories such as plastic, food waste, and operational waste. This segregation helps facilitate recycling and proper disposal, minimizing the impact on the marine environment. 9. Exhaust gas cleaning system. Ships equipped with exhaust gas cleaning system must operate them in compliance with Annex 6. This includes monitoring and controlling sulfur oxide emissions to meet the required standards. Proper maintenance and operation of these systems are essential for reducing air pollution. That's all. Thank you.